Discover the latest and most exciting IKEA Christmas arrivals, thoughtfully curated to bring festive charm and style to your home. This 2025 collection features everything from holiday-inspired decor to everyday essentials, all blending modern design with timeless elegance to create a warm and joyful atmosphere. We're starting right off with the STRÅLA LED floor lamp, a playful yet stylish design that resembles three oversized matchsticks crossed together. This unique piece instantly draws attention and adds a touch of whimsy to any room. Crafted from solid pine, it brings a warm and natural feel into your home. With two-step dimming, you can effortlessly set the perfect mood, from soft ambient lighting to a cozier, more intimate glow. Next is STRÅLA LED candelabra. Designed to cast a soft, warm glow, this candelabra instantly brings a cozy and inviting atmosphere to any room. With two-step dimming, you can easily adjust the lighting to suit your mood. Plus, the built-in LED light sources mean you'll never need to replace a bulb. Enjoy long-lasting illumination with effortless convenience. Next is STRÅLA lampshade. Designed to cast a warm, cozy glow, this lampshade instantly fills your home with festive cheer and a welcoming holiday atmosphere. Pair it with a STRÅLA cord set or lamp base to create your own personalized pendant or table lamp that suits your style and space. Next is STRÅLA table lamp. Featuring pleated synthetic paper with delicate red lines, this table lamp brings a modern, decorative touch to your space. It gives off a warm, cozy light that creates a welcoming atmosphere, and the easy-to-clean material makes it as practical as it is stylish. Next is STRÅLA LED decorative table lamp. Shaped like a charming little tree, this lamp glows with a warm, cozy light that instantly creates a calm and inviting atmosphere. It's the perfect accent for a coffee table, windowsill, or hallway console. Battery-operated and cord-free, it's easy to place anywhere in your home for effortless festive charm. Next is VINTERFINT wall decoration. A clever alternative to a traditional Christmas tree, perfect for small spaces. Made of pine, this flexible design expands horizontally to the width you want, ready to decorate with your favorite ornaments, and folds away easily when the season is over. With 24 hooks, you can hang little gifts or messages for each day leading up to Christmas. A fun, personal way to build excitement and brighten every day in December. Next is VINTERFINT tray. Crafted from solid wood and perfectly sized for a cup of coffee or a cozy mug of mulled wine, this charming tray doubles as an oversized button, adding a fun, festive twist to your holiday decor. Practical for serving, yet stylish enough to display on its own, it's also ideal for showcasing your favorite small items throughout the season. Next is VINTERFINT decoration. Bring a hint of traditional Swedish Christmas charm into your home with these red Yule goats. Their classic design paired with a modern touch makes them a festive and stylish addition to your holiday decor. Next is VINTERFINT lantern for pillar candle. Nothing sets a magical mood like the gentle flicker of candlelight. This timeless lantern is perfect for the holiday season and beyond, creating a warm, cozy glow whether used indoors or outdoors. Available in two sizes for tea lights or pillar candles, it can be hung or placed on any flat surface to suit your space and style. Next is VINTERFINT jar with lid. This charming snowman hides treats under his hat, making him a delightful surprise for guests and a festive favorite in any home. Once the goodies are gone, he doubles as a cute holiday decoration. Perfect as a serving bowl or for storing small items, he brings both charm and function to your seasonal setup. That's a wrap for today's new IKEA finds. Did you spot a favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another video. Thanks for watching and staying with me until the very end. See you next time.